Hi everyone, I was just trying to download GeForce Now from the official NVIDIA website, but when I clicked Join Now, I got this message. Get notified when GeForce Now becomes available in your region. Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it and start using GeForce Now, no matter where you are. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Any browser should do the trick. I'm using Chrome, but feel free to use Brave, Firefox, Edge, or whatever you prefer. In your browser, search for Chrome Web Store in the search engine. Then, click on the first link that appears. To make it easier, I'll leave the link in the description of this video so you can find it quickly. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top left corner and type Browsec VPN. When the results appear, click on Browsec VPN. It's usually the first option on the list. Click on the Add to Chrome button, or whichever browser you're using, and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once it's installed, you'll see a new Browsec VPN icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the Browsec VPN icon. Next, accept the terms and conditions. Click Start to turn it on. From the location options, choose United States. This step tricks websites into thinking you're browsing from the US. Now, go back to the GeForce Now website and refresh the page. Click Join Now on the top right. You should no longer see the Get Notified message. Instead, you'll be able to sign up or download GeForce Now without any issues. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've bypassed the region restriction and can now enjoy GeForce Now from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.